Good afternoon, everybody. It's Chef Duggan, and I'm here to talk today about garnishing food. The main reason we garnish food is to add color, contrast to the dish. This can be done with vegetables or herbs, lemon peels, and even sauces. So I'm going to show you two examples and show you how you can change those up. So the first dish we're going to look at is a basil orzo with chicken. And all I'm going to use is this, which is a Parmesan crisp, easy to make. Just kind of melt Parmesan in a saucepan and flip it over, and basil. So that gives a little pop, a little color. We're still not done yet with it because it is kind of drab. What I'm going to do is add some pesto oil. So this is the oil that comes from the pesto. And again, it just enhances the plate a little bit around the outside. And you don't want to use too much of oils because they tend to be really kind of potent and strong. So that's two ways of doing a pesto chicken and showing just bringing out the color a little bit. Now, to me, it's a little too green. So now I'm going to take a balsamic glaze, and this is a really nice one. And just drizzle it on the top of the plate. Clean our lip off. So you always want a clean lip. And there you go. That's a basil chicken, a basil orzo with a grilled chicken. And I used some balsamic and some oils, and then Parmesan crisp that you can easily make, and the pesto's easy to buy. Our second dish is Ahi Tuna, and it has some green beans with it and some mashed potatoes. Not common, but I had them, so I wanted to use them. And then this is just a cream sauce, so almost like a tartar sauce, but it's made with dill and parsley, a little bit of lemon and some capers. And traditionally you find this type of sauce with it. Again, not bad on the plate, but we're going to enhance that a little bit by adding a sprig of thyme, because there is thyme in the dish. If you are using an herb, make sure that the herb goes well with the dish. And just a little bit of yellow right there with the lemon. So that kind of pops it out a little bit. Let's see if I can move that down closer to you guys. So it gives it just a little more color, a little more pop. Now the other thing that's quick and easy is what's called confetti. And confetti is just the herbs. And all I'm going to do, like the balsamic, is sprinkle it. Now all these herbs are, again, in the same dish. You want to stay off the rim of the plate. But that gives just a little more color, a little more pop. And because we're using the lemon, we get the zest of the lemon, so that gives you that oil and that gives you that fragrance. So whenever you use oils and balsamics, they should add to the aroma of the plate, and that definitely adds to the aroma of a plate. So as you can see, garnishing is easy. Garnishing can be fun. You can also use fresh fruits, and you can cut them and curl them. There's a tomato rose. Those are a little old school. What I've shown you today is more on the modern level of plating. So have some fun with your artistry and keep cooking.